Let's take a look at Amazon 4K digital cameras. They're sold under many different brand names but are basically the same camera. It can shoot in 4K, take photos up to 64 megapixels with 16 times digital zoom. You get your instruction manual, lint-free cloth, 32GB memory card, 2 batteries and a battery charger, camera strap, HDMI cable, USB to USB-C adapter, the camera unit with lens cover. It has a 3-inch display, and it's a lot lighter than it looks. It's not too bulky, so it fits in the palm of your hands. The lens is not detachable. It has an ergonomic shape for holding the camera. Here's everything you get in the box. The design is very nice looking for a budget 4K digital camera. The buttons and controls are laid out in their familiar positions. You've got everything like your menu and playback buttons, timer, continuous, flash, and trash. Retractable flash. All your ports like mic, USB-C, and HDMI. Zoom dial. Let's take a general look inside the camera. Hold down the power button to turn it on and off. In the camera settings, you can customize the resolution, beauty face filter, shooting, self-timer, exposure, white balance, quality, and sharpness. There's more, such as anti-shake, face detect, and smile capture. Click on the selfie lens for vlogging and then switch back to the front lens. No need to turn your camera around each time. Display on and off button. And on the jog dial you have different scenic modes and filters to add effects to your footage. In the setup menu you can access languages such as English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Turkish, Russian, Portuguese, Dutch, Chinese, Japanese, Polish. Set the date, beep sounds, frequency, format the memory card, and reset all to default settings. Once again, you've got controls for video, photo, portrait, landscape, night mode, slow motion, and time lapse. Let's take a look at some demo photos and videos. If you're looking for a budget 4K digital camera that has an abundance of features and shooting modes, take a look at these Amazon 4K digital cameras. I think they'd be suitable for your novice, amateur, or casual user, even for seniors or children who are looking for simplicity and affordability without worrying about paying $1,000 and putting it in their hands. It's a great option that's worry-free and you can still enjoy what it has to offer for the price point. Take a look at the links down below in the description on where you can find these cameras and get more information. They range between $40 to $90. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section and I'll do my best to answer. If this was helpful, please leave a like, share, and subscribe to help support my channel and to make more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.